We're going to work through a few stretches here that I have a hard time finding adequate videos for on YouTube. The first one is called a founder. It's a modification of a series created by Dr. Eric Goodman of foundationtraining.com. I find this is a good way for me to get into this movement, this exercise, and just work through the position. So I'm going to tilt myself so I'm at an angle. My feet are slightly wider than shoulder width. Okay, from this position, I'm going to take my hands and press my kneecaps back behind me. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm actively, palms of my hands pressing behind me. Okay, so I'm going to get a little better view for you here. I'm going to look, my spine long and straight, reach to the top of my head. From here, my hands are going to come out. All right, my fingertips are going to come together. Now I'm looking through my hands as I pull my butt, hips back behind me. Toes are kind of loose, but heels are tight. So I've got a counterbalance action going on here with my hands. And on the next inhale, hands are going to come up and away. As I exhale, I keep my rib cage expanded. So I inhale, expand, exhale. Well, from here, I'm going to slide down into this open position here. Okay, hands come down. Now I'm going to go right into a windmill. Now the windmill is hand placed. Eyes are down at the moment, but as I rotate and bring this left arm up, okay, my eyes follow the best they can that hand. Come back down, switch sides. Right hand comes up. Now in this position, I'm making sure my left knee doesn't collapse. We don't want that. I want to press that sucker out. Hips go back. Bring it down. Reset the right side. Okay? Right hand down. Right knee stays out as I rotate up. Good for the mid back, upper back. Those positions. Now from here, my hands are going to go back to my shins, okay? Chest is going to lift. Hands are going to raise back to starting position, okay? From here, I'm going to reach my hands back behind me, reach my head long. I'm going to rotate, open my shoulders. So thumbs, direct motion here. And from here, I'm just going to stand up, hips forward, head up. And relax. Okay, let's go through that one more time. I'm gonna face you this time. So here, pretty wide. I'm gonna widen things up. So I was more narrow, probably this width last time. I'm gonna go 6 inches, a foot wider on each side. Hands are gonna come to my knees as I push them back. Reach the head up and long. Okay. Again, driving through my heels. All right, long in the spine. This time I'm gonna pull into that position here. Okay, reaching with my head, reaching my hands back, and then the hands are going to sweep. Now, I'm looking through my fingertips. Glutes are reaching back behind me, okay? Now, on an inhale, I'm going to reach up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Holding. From here, I'm going to drop down into the open space. All right. Now I'm going to walk my hands away. Big walk away. Pull my butt back and relax my head down. Turning on my glutes, hamstrings. Relaxing the back. Now, a variation I like to do is to kind of walk my hand. So I'm going to walk it to the right. Big stretch now. The right hamstring and your left groin, and walk to the left. Left hamstring, right groin. Walk away, pulling hips back, relaxing. Hands are going to come back in. I'm going to go to a windmill. So the right arm comes up, left knee stays out. Back down. Left arm comes up, right knee stays out. And I'll switch. Back down. From here into my shins, knees, chest comes up, hips come forward, and relax. Okay, so there we have founder to a windmill. Okay, went back through another founder. We did a wide-legged forward fold stretch. You could even go wider with that stretch if you like to get more of a groin feel to it. Walk the hands a little bit side to side, right back into a windmill, and then came up nice and easy. So good sequence for you to do. A great sequence to add to your stretching. It just really wakens up the body and stretches, again, groin, hamstring, works the mid back, low back. Implement, try it.